This is our function f, and f prime at this point is just the slope of this tangent line right here. However, in this section, we're interested in f double prime, which is the derivative of f prime, or the rate of change of f prime. So let's just move along the curve and see how f prime changes. What's going to happen to these tangent lines? How do they evolve? Right now we have a tangent line whose slope is positive and fairly large. As we move along, we're getting a slope that's still positive, but not quite as large. And then when we get over here, we have a slope that's 0. So if we graph f prime, it would look something like this. We start off with a very positive value, and as we move along, we have still positive, but not quite as large. And then we get here, and we get a value of 0. So that's the graph of f prime. What then can we say about f double prime? Well, that's the derivative of f prime. And as we can see, f prime is decreasing. And a decreasing function ought to have a negative derivative. So that's f double prime. It's negative. And it's because of this evolution of the tangent lines up above. The tangent lines change, they evolve, they turn as we go from here to here. And it's this turning that makes f double prime negative. So you can think of the second derivative as in some way measuring the turning of the graph of f. And that's a really useful concept. So next up is this section of the function, and as usual, we have some questions for you to work through. We'll discuss when you're done.